Bonjour, hi.
Hi, I have an appointment at noon.
Okay, so would you like to tell me a little bit about what the issue is?
Yeah, sure. So I have this problem.
The Legal Information Clinic at McGill is a nonprofit, student-run, free bilingual legal information service. So we provide legal information, referrals, and resources to the McGill and Montreal communities.
The idea, first and foremost, was to find a venue to talk to people, ask them what their problems were, give them ideas, give them suggestions, point them in the right direction. How could we return something to McGill? How can we give back?
Working on our team between the directors and volunteers is a lot of fun. I think we really try to make it a good experience that we get volunteers to come back. I think we have a lot of fun fighting out the legal questions and what we think about what, and looking through the books and finding out who's right and who's wrong.
Okay, so I think that answers all my questions.
We deal with a lot of landlord-tenant issues, so we see many students who are having issues with landlords, with roommates, that kind of thing. We see a great deal of employment law as well, and we see a fair amount of family law questions. Oui, il y a certains domaines qu'on ne couvre pas du tout, ce serait du droit criminel, aussi le droit fiscal, droit du taxe, on ne fait pas non plus, c'est un peu trop compliqué. Puis après ça, on ne fait pas des questions de construction majeure, comme la construction des immeubles. Alors tout ce qu'on fait à la clinique, on garde la confidentialité des personnes qui viennent nous voir toujours, c'est le plus important pour nous.
So the fact that it's fellow students makes it much more friendly and approachable. It's nice to have students talking to you. You feel like they're on your level. You feel a bit more comfortable asking what you might think are dumb questions, but probably aren't.
What I'm most proud of is that the clinic has sustained itself and grown over 40 years.
There's no such thing as an average day at student advocacy. So what we do is that we provide advice and representation to students who are going through disciplinary grievance and appeals processes at the university.
Accused of plagiarism.
Okay.
He claims to have done most of the work. He's saying it's inadvertent.
When the student first comes into the office, they're often very upset. They don't understand why this is happening to them. They don't know or understand what they've done wrong. And so it's about really calming them down, giving them the information that they need to feel empowered to go through the disciplinary process, telling them that they're not alone.
Put in the...
And the closing.
Closing is there, so...
Yeah. So just let the student know the service that we provide is completely confidential. And that can be very important to students because it does make them feel like, that we're not reporting to anyone at McGill and that we're not going to reveal anything that they've told us.
Even though in law school you talk a lot about access to justice and how difficult it is for people to find help with their legal problems, I think when you work at the clinic and you see it on a day-to-day basis, it really brings it home that we have a serious problem and that people have many legal issues and they don't have anywhere to go and they often can't afford it, maybe they don't qualify for legal aid.
It's a valuable education. It creates a legal mind. It develops you for the future. It gives you a leg up in your profession. If you're part of the clinic, you'll land running because you'll know how to meet people, talk to people, listen to clients, converse with them, have empathy, and to apply the law.